Steve Jones, Improving Spelling for Key Stage 3 and 4. Hopefully it's a welcome back. This is the second in the series focusing on spelling those top 50 commonly misspelled words correctly. The first in the series focused on a technique called mnemonics, which is a favourite of mine, and hopefully it was very helpful. This second one is going to focus on common rules, all right, and they work the majority of the time. So the first one is I before the E, except after C when it rhymes with E. Now, as I've said, there are exceptions, but see if you can do this next exercise, and hopefully you'll score high. I've put a few in that might catch you out. Hi there. I always like to set some sort of challenge, so I always expect my students is to make one or two mistakes, so that after we've gone through the words, they're correcting them and obviously improving. All right. So let's have a look at the first one. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, and quite clearly it follows the rule. But if you can't remember it, we can always go back to a mnemonic. Some people remember it, fry end. All right, number two, shield also follows the rule, S-H-I-E-L-D. Okay, we've got receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, still following the rule. Now, the next one is, I've thrown this one, which might catch you out, is the word weird. Okay, so it's W-E-I-R-D. Again, it can be covered by a mnemonic and just simply say, we are weird. Okay, the next one, achieve, follows the rule, A-C-H-I-E-V-E. Okay, and the next one, this one might have caught you out too, it's receipt. R-E-C-E-I, which follows the rule, but there's that silent P and it finishes with a T. Okay, now in another episode I'm going to be talking about internal spelling, which in this case is you pronounced silent letters. So you're saying it receipt. Okay, receipt. But that's for another tutorial. Leisure. Okay, now this is an exception. L-E-I-S-U-R-E. Deceive follows the rule. D-E-C-E-I-V-E. And the last one, again, is an exception. Seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D. Again, it can be covered by a mnemonic, if you remember, is just to seize the number 8. And 8 begins with E-I. Seize the number 8. Okay, hopefully, as I said, it's challenging enough to catch you out. It may give the impression that there's a lot of exceptions when in fact the rule works the majority of times, and it's useful. Easy? Good. All right, well, we're on the subject. You sometimes have these words with double L that form a compound word, and it's where you've got two words joined together. Let me give you an example. You've got the word skillful. Skill, double L, full, double L. But actually when you join the two words together, skillful, you drop the L on both the words at the end. So what you have at the end, of course, is S-K-I-L-F-U-L. All right, now if that works, see if you can pause me again and spell fulfill. As in the sentence, I will fulfill my dreams when I can spell those top 50 most common misspelled words. So the answer is, of course, F-U-L-F-I-L. Right, well, hopefully that's it today. Anyway, and hopefully I'll see you next time, and we'll have a look at the technique of what I call anyway internal spelling is where you're pronouncing the silent letters, and also those words in English which are not phonetic. In other words, there are a lot of words in English where it's not going to help you is just to pronounce the letters out loud, but internal spelling is a good technique. Thanks again for